Capital as such is not evil. It is its wrong use that is evil. Capital in some form or other will always be needed. The price of anything is the amount of life you exchange for it. Never spend money before you have it. A penny saved is a penny earned. Happiness is not in the mere possession of money. It lies in the joy of achievement, in the thrill of creative effort. Frugality includes all the other virtues. If you wish to get rich, save what you get. A fool can earn money, but it takes a wise man to save and dispose of it to his own advantage. A wise person should have money in their head, but not in their heart. While money can't buy happiness, it certainly lets you choose your own form of misery. That man is richest whose pleasures are cheapest. You can only become truly accomplished at something you love. Don't make money your goal. Instead, pursue the things you love doing, and then do them so well that people can't take their eyes off you. Every time you borrow money, you're robbing your future self. Money often costs too much. Know what you own and know why you own it. If a man is proud of his wealth, he should not be praised until it is known how he employs it. Many people take no care of their money till they come nearly to the end of it, and others do just the same with their time. Waste your money and you're only out of money, but waste your time and you've lost a part of your life. Don't tell me what you value. Show me your budget and I'll tell you what you value. Too many people spend money they earned to buy things they don't want, to impress people they don't like. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants.